So now we're gonna watch it and see what it does. One more thing. This is for entertainment purposes only. We're not financial advisors. As you can see, the system notified a buy quite some time ago, and the market has done nothing but climbed up. But what we need to look at is always look to the left, and we're at this high right now. Don't know if the market is going to continue pushing up. Tomorrow is FOMC day, so we need to be prepared for that. Oh, look at that push up. Looks like it's pushing up. So let's take a look where we could go. We got the previous week low up here. We've got a lot of room to the upside, but once again, we need to be cautious. The market just opened. A lot of times I like to push it up or pull it straight down and then reverse it. So we're just gonna wait and see what the market does now. Like I said, we've been in the buy for quite some time now. They could push it up here to the previous week low, or they could drop it down. By the way, we're trading one contract this evening due to FOMC, volatility, and a lot of things are involved. Right now we're just being patient, seeing what the market wants to do. We just need to wait and let it tell us what it wants to do. So this is what we just need to watch for real quick. See how it's pulling back? This is what we're talking about. Now, is it going to push higher? Is it going to pull back? Remember yesterday evening it did a push straight up, but then in the rest of the evening it pushed straight down. Said we've been in a buy situation for quite some time. Next level of interest would be 28,193 if it wants to push it that far. We're just gonna have to see what the market's gonna do. Actually, we'll go ahead and try to draw a line. See if it'll let us move it up. One. Okay. Right here's our level of interest. We'll see if it breaks the 50. It's slowing down. It's pulling back. We have a high up here at 177. Market's already pulled back over 30 points. We'll see what it does here. See, we're turning red now. So if we break below and this line turns red, we would be looking to sell. If we get a sell notification, we're quite a ways from the 14, the 20, and the VWAP. It may go ahead and push up. We need to wait. We'll let this first 15 minutes let the market show us what it wants to do. It may just chop around too. Like I said, it may just chop around on us now for a while. It's definitely losing its steam, and then it may, we don't know. See what it does. Pushing up again. We'll see if we can ride it up a little bit. It may pull right back down on us. Like I said, it's been in a sell notification for quite some time. See how this candle. Is it going to push to that high? I don't know. Don't look like it. Alright, we'll get out of that. Like I said, it's pulling back on us. definitely losing its steam. We'll see if we get to generate a sell notification. Like I said, we're quite a ways from them EMAs and the VWAP. Just a bunch of chop right now. And that's the thing. If the market is going to do nothing but chop around, we're not going to stick around.
Best music compilation.
See if we can get a push down. Like I said, we're a long ways. We'll see how this 5-minute candle closes. We can go to the 5-minute. See, it's pushing up. Look at all these 5-minute bear bull candles. A person would think that there should be some type of a pullback. And we're just chopping around. 1 minute, 15 seconds. We'll see what happens on this candle. And it's pulling right back down. Alright, we'll see what kind of information we can see on the 1 minute now. It's pushing down. There's our sell notification. Right at that pivot point. See if we can ride it a little bit. I don't know. We might push back down to here. if we can break through this pivot point. That's the problem, is that pivot point. It's definitely trying. So here's what we did not do, which I suggest that everybody does that uses this system, is let it stick. See, it generated it, but it hasn't stuck yet, so that could burn us. Just like that. So it hasn't stuck yet. Just like that. We didn't let it generate and stick. We do not have it yet. Once the system generates the SV cell, I will be much more end sticks. Keep saying that. It's got to stick. There it is. Now it's got to stick. No stick. Just trying. Guess you're gonna figure out right here whichever way they want it in the next 30 seconds which way it's gonna go. I don't like that. Bunch of chop. And this is to be expected on the evening before the FMOC. Now it's got to stick. But like I said, it's just chopping around right now. See if we get the stick. Not gonna happen.
Best music compilation.
See? Right there. Wow. Is that a liquidity grab? Or is that news? Nobody knows. But it sure bounced right off of that line. My gosh. Is it gonna do it again? Probably. Oh, we got it. Is it gonna stick? Nope, it's not. I bet it does the same thing. You know you got orders sitting there where it popped last time. My goodness. Or is it gonna stick? Oh, we got that. It's this pivot line right here. 109. 109. We should have broke. Is it gonna? That's the problem. It's breaking it. Is it gonna? Before. Oh. All right. I don't know what's gonna do. It's right at that pivot. And if we can close below this pivot, I would be looking down this level right here, 70, 80 level. If we can break that 100. Let's see if we can ride it down a little more. Probably missed that. It may just pop right back up on us. I don't know. Who knows what it's gonna do? Alright. We're at that level that we talked about, so I'd be very careful right here. Very careful. It may just pop right back off of it. So you've got a lot of lines in the sand right here. Here's what you have. You have a New York high level. You have two areas of interest. Right at that 80 level, I'd be very careful. We have another level of interest right here at 28,000. $20,052. So if we break, then I would be looking to come to at least this level. And if we break this level, I'll be looking to push at least to the EMA right here. If we break that, we've got the opening range high setting down here at 27,993. But you got a lot of lines in the sand that you got to get through. See what I'm talking about? Right there. That 80 level. Got a lot of lines in the sand. Anyhow, so look, we got the sell notification generated. We should have waited. We jumped the gun. That was my fault. But once it generates, you get a pretty decent push down. So pretty much all you need to do is wait. And of course, you got to watch these levels. All these levels of interest. If it pushes to a level of interest, well, that's your sign that maybe you need to close out your trade. But then you get a generation and quite the push up, and we're still pushing down. But we've got these levels here. So many levels where prices reacted. And that's pretty much what we watch. That's pretty much. As long as the red line right here in the middle, as long as we stay below that, we should be good. Now it's making a new low for the Asia session. It's pushing lower, but we've got this pivot point here, 28,054. If it can break that, but I watch this right here. Right here is what we want to watch. Watch that. We're going to react right off of it, I bet. Also that pivot at 54 level. So you got a lot of lines that has to be crossed before we can go lower. And I really don't there's just not a lot of movement. It's just slowly moving this evening. Not like yesterday. Yesterday it moved pretty well. See, look at the reaction right off that line. That's what I'm talking about. Pushing right back up. Putting quite the wick on that 5-minute candle. There's a push right back down. Okay, so what we've got down here is previous 4-hour candle high. We're right at that EMA, so be careful with that. Now, if we push through with momentum, all these levels here, we could ride it down. Anyway, that's a nice run from the generation of the SV cell, I can tell you that. I should have just waited. Wouldn't have got chopped up. And that's what the system does. It tries to keep you out of the chop. And we may just chop around here at this level. Really has not, the market hasn't made any patterns that I see. Still grinding lower, but you gotta watch this 4-hour candle high. See, it's just, so here's the thing. I'm not convinced because there's no momentum. Just moving real lazy and slow. Now, it may continue to move real lazy and slow all the way down, but that's not what I look for. Okay, we're at that previous 4-hour candle high. Right off of there. And this area of interest right here, the 33 level. See if we can break. May push right back down. We got 22 seconds. So I mentioned yesterday that on the 5-minute candle, in the last minute of that candle, they love to push it in the original direction that it was going. And that's exactly what's happening now. So you always got to be prepared for that. So I'm also, like I said, I'm watching a 5-minute chart on my other screen. See these levels here? The lines in the sand. We're still red. No reason to get long. Like I said, it may chop around this area for a while. Remember, we drew this level at the start of the session as an area of interest. Above, okay, so we're back above that moving average, or it's trying to get back above there. Just a bunch of chop right now. Just trying to push up. There is a pop. She's gonna go. There's your notification. Now if we can break these levels here, I would look for it to push up to this level here or this level here. Let's see if we can break these levels. So the first level is 28,072. The next level I'm looking at is 28,080. So if we can get above the 80 level, I'm looking for more movement to the upside. But they may push it right back down. Okay, so we do have the notification, but it is not stuck yet. Okay, now what I'm looking for, if we get above the 80 level, there it goes. See, we got the notification. Notification is stuck. We'll see how this candle closes out. That line, just what we talked about, these lines, these are the defensive lines, if you will. Both of the bears and the bulls. And this is why we didn't get in. We didn't break those lines yet. Those levels, we need those levels to break before we take any action. We do have a buy. It has stuck at this time. But it may just turn, like I said, we may get into a bunch of chop in these levels. No reason to get in a short at this time and no reason to go long. Just got to get something that can very convincing. And like I said, this is very typical of the evening before FOMC. And actually tomorrow, it's going to be a lot more difficult. Right back down to that level, 33 level. It's strong. Okay, so see, this is what we're talking about. These levels, they have to be broke. I know that we got SV by notification generated, but it didn't break the levels. Like I said, we're probably just going to get a bunch of chop. So now the SV cell notification is stuck, but you got all these lines in the sand that it has to get across. See? So in actual reality, it hasn't stuck yet. Or has it stuck? I don't know. Chop. So which is going to stick here? The buy or the sell? Or which is going to, which way is the market going to go? Because you've had two of them stick. Like I said, it's probably just going to chop around. Yep. See, we don't even get a... see, it's not going to stick. Chop. I think if we can break the 90 level, we can push up to that 100. But you gotta watch these levels. See, that's what I'm talking about. And right back down. Chop. Gonna finally make a move, break out of there. Nope. Getting a little momentum in the market. See if we ride it down a little bit. It may just jerk right back up on us. Right at our entry. This is ridiculous. Right at our entry. How interesting. So we gotta write it down just a little bit for a very short or small gain. Let's see. I don't even know. We're still down by 25 bucks. I don't see how that's possible, but okay. Are they going to push it down to the low here? 16. It may just jerk right back up on us, but we'll see. Oh, that 33 level. Yep. See, we forgot about that 33 level. Ay, ay, ay. We can, I don't know. Yep, we forgot about that level. Gonna try it again, or gonna try to break it. If we can... And right back up. Gonna try that level again. That level. All right. Yeah, this is ridiculous. So, with that being said, we're not gonna sit here. What are we down? $23. This is ridiculous. which is to be expected on an evening before FOMC. So with that, we're done. We're done for the evening. It's just not a lot of times the best trade is not to trade. So with that, once again, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. As you can see, the market just you're just gonna get chopped up. So with that, we're done, and everybody have an excellent evening. Tomorrow, be careful. Be careful. You saw what it's like tonight. You better watch out tomorrow. So, everybody careful. Everybody have